Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you 5 heroes with stun above 5 seconds. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1, Selena. Stun Selena from a distance is 3 seconds and it hasn't even been 5 seconds since the enemy is dead. Number 2, Akai. Use the petrify spell plus his ulti. Just look at the stun, bro. It's been 5 seconds. Number 3, Franco. Franco's combo usually uses ultimate skills plus skill 1, and for sure he is not alone, but with his team, in not in 5 seconds the enemy is already dead. Number 4, Glow. Glow is the most annoying of laner. If you spam skill 1 to your opponent and you step on skill 1 yourself, the opponent will be immobilized for 1 second and skill 1 will reset its cooldown and you can spam for up to 47 seconds. Number 5, Badang. For the stun, the body is already the king of stuns. Will attack speed in combo skill 1, skill 2 and stacks 2 stacks, and ulti it's better for you and just go to AFK. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and bye.